Good day everyone. Myself Sandeep Paul from RNTC Department Mechatronics M2B section. So my topic is IBOC technology, that is in band on channel. So what are the contents we are going to discuss today? That are introduction, why digital radio, block diagram, advantages of IBOC and disadvantages. So, introduction to IBOC. What is a IBOC technology? IBOC technology, also known as HD radio, operates by transmitting digital signals alongside existing analog signals on the same frequency. Next, why digital radio? Digital audio broadcasting (DAB) is transmission and reception of radio signals in the digital domain, as opposed to the traditional analog transmission reception by AM and FM systems. AM and FM. AM is amplitude modulation and FM is frequency modulation. Next, advantages of IBOC. First, improved audio quality. Second, simulcasting. Third, enhanced coverage. Fourth, multicasting. Next comes the disadvantages of IBOC. First, compatibility issues. Next, reduced analog signal quality. Next, interference with adjacent channels and higher cost for broadcasters. Then, Eureka 147. This is the digital radio system recently in use. Uses at much higher frequency than standard 88 to 108 MHz FM band and 0.52 to 1.705 MHz AM band. UK utilizes band 3, Canada uses L band. The Eureka system broadcasts multiple stations and services over single frequency in something called a multiplex. So, bibliography. Thank you.